7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, start the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, right to right. C prep. 5, 6, 7. Gonna give her a double, so we're gonna go over. 1, we step to the side. 2, the next turn is palms up for her. 3, we're gonna pike on 4, leaving it to the neck. Step forward. 5, flick it behind the back. 6, 7. Catch it with the left. So I'm gonna connect the right hand on 1. We're gonna start turning with the right. 2, palms go up. 3, back charge. 5, don't change the grip. 6, 7. We're gonna keep it. So now we're gonna step forward on 1. Now we're gonna bring the left hand down. The right hand's gonna stay up as we walk in the circle. 2, 3. Now the right hand's gonna go over her head. Follow. 5, 6, 7. Now we're gonna do a rotation to the left. 1. Right hand comes down. Left hand comes up as I look at her. 2. Get in front of her as I turn her on 3. 5. Keep turning her. 6, 7. Open up. 1. We reverse. 2. Forward. 3. Turn her on 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body leap. 1, 2, 3. To prep. 5, 6, 7. Double. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1.5 right. Forward on 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now forward on 1. Walk around him. 2, 3. Back on 5, 6, 7. Now go forward on 1, 2. Turn to the left on 3. Keep turning. 5, 6, 7. Carry through on 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body leap. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
What's up guys, it's Scott from Casa Salsa. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you click the subscribe button right here so you're able to stay updated with all of our videos to come. And also make sure you check out our website in the description below so you can have more access to exclusive content and even take a live class with us. See you there.